What is the value of modulus of elasticity of steel? Modulus of elasticity, also known as elastic modulus or simply modulus, is the measurement of a material's elasticity. The answer to this question would be, up to elastic limit, strain is proportional to stress. The ratio of stress to strain is known as modulus of elasticity or Young's modulus of elasticity. The modulus of elasticity for steel is measured as 210 gigapascal. What is slenderness ratio? The slenderness ratio, or simply slenderness, is an aspect ratio, the quotient between the height and the width of a building. In structural engineering, slenderness is a measure probability of a column to buckle. The answer to this question would be, the ratio of the length of a column to the least radius of gyration is known as the slenderness ratio. What is bending moment? In solid mechanics, a bending moment is the reaction induced in a structural element when an external force or moment is applied to the element, causing the element to bend. The most common or simplest structure element subjected to bending moment is the beam. The answer to this question would be, most of the time, the bending moment is associated with the beams. Beams carry load perpendicular to its axis and also withstand bending moment. When some external forces or moments are applied on a structural element, it can bend. The reaction to these applied forces and moments are known as the bending moment.